So the first mod is very simple to install, but it's absolutely a necessity. So this is a tray that goes behind your display, and it comes with 2 mats, so things aren't rolling around in it. And it looks great and very handy. Check how easy it is just to install this. All you do is you simply slide it over your display and set it down. How easy is that? It also has screws in place to be able to mount a GoPro or phone, dash cam, or anything else you want up there. I caught myself putting junk back there all over the place. Walkie-talkies, cell phones, whatever. So this is very handy. So this is the next must-have mod, bed mat. And specifically, it is an OEM Toyota Tacoma bed mat. And I ordered this off of autoparts.toyota.com. And I know there's a lot of other YouTube channels out there that go with Las Fit for the bed mat, but I wanted something more OEM style. So the thing is, if you was to buy a new Tacoma with a bed mat in it already, if you notice on the sticker price, it's around $200. But if you go to autoparts.toyota.com, you can find a much better deal on this. I got this for $150. And these things are tough as nails. And the last thing you want is your bed getting ruined, scratched up. Because if you're like me, you're throwing all kinds of things in here and scratching your bed up. This will protect it. So exactly, it cost me $155, free shipping, and then a discount and about a $50 discount or close to it off of this already. So you can't beat it. And this is full-blown OEM. It's not aftermarket. And this bed mat, unlike other bed mats, laid down flat first time. So the next absolutely necessary mod you need for a 4th Gen Tacoma is door scuff protectors. This is directly from Toyota. You can see I've already started scuffing it up there. Look at that. All right, so let's get this just right. Fits like a glove. Just put that on there. Good. All right, let's see, is this the right one back here? And it is. It's the same thing. You can get this from autoparts.toyota.com. That will route you to a dealership in your area, and usually you can get a pretty good discount on going that way. So if you are wanting some extra things on your truck that during the purchase of a new Tacoma, for example, door edge guards, scuff protectors, you can always get them cheaper after you bought your truck. Fits like a glove. Push that down on there. All right, and then the same thing the other side. And that is a good place for some TuffSkinz. All right, let's do the other side. Take the tape off. Now that the tape is off, come down here. This will fit like a glove, and then just push it in. You do use a little bit of your moly panel, but these things do get scuffed up, and you've still got this one. All right, let's do the rear seat. Get the tape off. I don't want to come off. There, it's like a glove. Now that's protected, and it just taped on. So if you want to take them off, just pull it off. And on to the next must-have mod. And I actually transferred these over from my 3rd Gen to the 4th Gen. Is these Rago fabrication bed rail mounts, and you can see I've got quick fist mounted to them so I could hold a shovel, axe, weed eater, you name it, going down the sides. And it has a small moly panel going down at the bottom as well. Those are the extensions. And you want these, especially if you don't want to deal with side moly panels. Because of that chase rack, I'm not too motivated to put in a full side moly panel over here or over there. But this is an easy solution if you want some kind of mounting option for your truck bed and don't want to put in a moly panel. I'll put a link down in the description of the full install of my 3rd Gen that you can see how I put these together. But these, in my opinion, are a must-have. The next must-have mod is the TuffSkinz door cubby foam and the TuffSkinz door handle foam inserts. I became a big fan of them on my 3rd gen. And I found some to match the bronze oxide on the Trailhunter, which I think is going to look very nice. It toughens up your door cubbies inside here for holding drinks, that sort of thing, because if you feel down in there, it's just plastic. But this is strong material, and I highly recommend it. Let's get this installed. To install this, it's pretty easy. You take it out of the package, you remove the 3M tape, and you just place it in your door cubbies. It's that simple. This is a separate kit, and this is the other. So this is the door handle foam inserts, and this is the door cubby foam inserts down here in the bottom. Let's check out the other side. That has got some good padding in there, and it looks great with a Trailhunter bronze oxide accent trim. I think it looks great. And let's open this up and look at my mess. Look at this. Completely disorganized. Just got a bunch of mess in there. It's not, you got that felt down in there. It just a mess. And in here, look at that already. Let's clean all this up. So I picked all this up from Tacoma Lifestyle. I've ordered from them before. They're usually pretty good about things. Let's get all this junk out of here. And first step on this center console organizer, and it also comes with a center console tray. It's really simple to do. You really can't mess this up. No tools are required. You just take this out, and you can see here it says slide to fit. This says up, and you got 3 pieces here. So right there, let's push this first one in. Just snaps in like that. Make sure the up arrow is up. I recommend this for any 4th or 3rd gen Tacoma. Snap in. So all you have to do, take this and then switch it back around 45 degrees, and it's in. If you have the tray, just flip it up like this, and then you can have a different organizer setting here. And then just lay that down on top. Now this is for the glove box, and we'll get this set up. So it looks pretty large. This looks like it's from a company called Base Layer. So again, on these it says front and up. So front and up, you can see there, up and front. So this is front, that side down. So this goes through here, simply goes in like that. And then side down, that's the front. So this will go right here. Just push that in from the back, snap in, and it's ready. Just slide this in. Oh yeah, that's much better. A whole lot better organized. Yeah, I can actually find stuff now. Also got this. It's an OEM hitch insert that you definitely want to get something, because you don't want any mice, rats, snakes, bugs, birds, anything else that might want to call this home, to prevent that from happening. So it's easy, just put that in there. What absolute necessary mods do you have on your 4th gen Tacoma? Let me know down in the comments below, and we will see you next time. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. And be sure to like and share this video and comment down below. And we will see you next time.